What's good, everybody? It's your boy 2am watching 2am TV. I want to thank everybody that's already subscribed, and I want to welcome back everybody that's already subscribed. But if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you can be aware of every time I post, man. As you can see by the title, today we have a tech video. I get a lot of questions from personal friends that watches my stream, and they ask me, how did I start? What do I use to actually, stream? I'm gonna cover all of that in this video, man. I'm gonna try to make it easy for you guys. But before we even get to that, man, I want to shout out my Twitch channel, which is at the bottom of the screen, and also the link is in the description where you can follow me at See You at 2am. I stream every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, sometimes Saturday. Let's get into the video, man. So first, let me start off by saying the basics. Of course, when you first start, you will need a system. All right, when I say system, I mean like an Xbox One or PS4, whatever you prefer. Yeah, that's just the basics. PC. All right, the thing for me, when I was actually first started, when I started looking for like PCs to use, you know what I'm saying, I first had a Mac, and it wasn't really up to date with like the requirements for like some of the capture cards that I was interested in buying. The biggest mistake I made was I bought a laptop off Best Buy, not knowing all of the specs that was required from the capture card that I use. Actually spent like $1,000. I blew a lot of money, but it was a mistake that needed to happen so I can understand and so I can share with you guys. You need to make sure you get a gaming laptop. I prefer you looking online and typing whatever brand, but make sure you put gaming laptop. Capture card, a lot of people don't use capture cards. A lot of people like to stream on their systems, but for me, I don't prefer it. It has a lot of cons more than it has pros. For me, when I first started streaming, I used my Xbox, and the whole stream was laggy. It wasn't the best quality. It wasn't 1080p, so I was like, no. And I started researching on YouTube some good capture cards. I prefer an Elgato HD60S Plus that you can buy online. I personally bought mine off eBay, and I paid like $90 for that. You know what I'm saying? That's really the cheapest when I saw that it was available. Then if you want to buy them new, a couple hundreds maybe, or like 100 and something. I don't know the exact price, but I'll put some links in the description for you guys. And when you actually buy this capture card, you want to look at the requirements that is set for it. Requirements for it is a 4th generation quad core Intel core, i5 CPU, meaning like an i5-4000 or higher. When you actually looking at these laptops that you want to buy, make sure you look at the specs. It'll tell you everything that is within the system. GPU, NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1000 or better. The RAM, you need a 4GB RAM, built-in USB 3.0 port that's within the laptop. It can't be a regular USB. It has to be a USB 3.0. Of course, a reliable internet. And when you actually connect all these, I prefer that you use an Ethernet cable. That way you get the base network support. As for the mic, a lot of people use headsets. You know what I'm saying? The one I have is a Turtle Beach headset, wired, but I don't actually use it when I'm streaming. I'll probably use it if I'm not streaming, if I'm just in a party with a couple friends. When I'm actually live on stream, I use the mic that I'm talking into now, which is an Audio Technica 2020 USB mic. You can use a USB mic or XLR mic and a headset. Make note, if you use a headset mic, you will need like a external cord to plug the base of this into, so it can split the two audio cables into the stream and then also into your game that you're playing, like if you want to talk to your party or game chat. Webcam, this was one of the things that I really wanted to outdo for myself, is looking into webcams, like actual webcams that you can use on your computer. But then I stopped and I researched more, and I found out you can use a mirrorless camera. That's the one I'm using now, which is my secondary camera. It's not my main camera. My main camera is a Sony a6500, but the one I use to stream is an a6000. And you can actually buy these cheap as well. I think brand new is like 500.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Yeah, I think I bought this one off eBay as well. I think it was like $280 plus tax maybe. These are good cameras, you know what I'm saying? They don't have the 4K availability, but then again, when you're on stream, you really don't need 4K. You just need the standard, which is like, I think like 1080p, 720 maybe. You know what I'm saying? If your network can't handle a full 1080p stream, take everything that's gonna fit you and your budget. But yeah, if you want to do a webcam, the webcam I do prefer is a Logitech C922 Pro. It's one of the best webcams on the market. The resolution goes all the way to 1080p, which is the the standard for like streaming. Yeah, if your budget can't handle like a mirrorless camera or a DSLR camera, you can start off with a webcam. Software, you can actually use OBS Studio, Streamlabs, OBS, or you can just actually use the Elgato game capture card software that comes with it. Personally, I use Streamlabs. It's more easier. It has like a better library that you can customize your stream the way you like. But yeah, man, like I said, I hope all of this information didn't fly over you guys' heads. Hopefully I was able to help somebody out there. Try to make this video as simple as possible. Try to give you the best advice and everything that worked for me. So yeah, that's the setup that I use right now to this day, man. Of course, the Xbox, I have an HP Pavilion, gaming laptop. I'll put the links in the description for you guys. Capture card, I use the Elgato HD60S Plus. Also put the link in the description for you guys. Mic, Audio Technica 2020 USB mic. For the webcam, I use the Sony a6000, and the software I use Streamlabs, OBS. Like I said, man, I appreciate everybody for tuning in. Been watching 2AM TV. Make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell. Follow me on Twitch at See You at 2AM. I'd love to have you, man. Anyway, man, it's your boy 2AM signing out.